Ever wonder who's really in control of the market? Buyers or sellers? That's exactly why I use the volume analysis indicator. It makes everything so clear. Green bars showing total volume and red bars highlighting selling pressure. I can instantly see market sentiment and spot key trends without any guesswork. Whether I'm day trading, swing trading, or just analyzing longer-term moves, this tool fits my trading strategy perfectly. What I really love are the detailed labels that make analyzing volume effortless. There's average 30 days. This shows me the average daily volume for the past 30 days, so I can easily compare today's activity with what's normal. Today's volume, obviously, it displays the total traded volume in real time, keeping me updated every step of the way. Percentage of 30-day average. This percentage shows how today's volume stacks up against the 30-day average, with color coding to highlight normal, elevated, or unusual activity. Then there's the average 30 bars. It even calculates average volume over the last 30 bars, which is great for shorter time frames. Current bar volume. This tells me exactly how much volume is in the current bar, so I can track immediate market moves. Current bar sell percentage, which is my favorite feature. It shows the percentage of selling volume in the current bar, making it super clear whether buyers or sellers are dominating. With this indicator, I can quickly spot volume spikes, breakouts, or reversals, things that might take forever to notice otherwise. For me, this tool is like having a magnifying glass for the market. It simplifies all the data and gives me the confidence to make smart decisions without second-guessing myself. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, add the volume analysis indicator to your ThinkorSwim charts today. Click the link in the description of the pinned comment below to get the volume analysis indicator, along with access to our full suite of custom tools designed to work on the ThinkorSwim trading platform. And if you're ready to dive even deeper into advanced trading strategies, check out my other videos over here. They're packed with insights to take your trading to the next level.